Today is a bit of a breakthrough day, really, because today is going to be the first time I've actually talked to a coach about my training, my recovery, my body, nutrition, and what to do next. And why it's a big breakthrough is because I hate being told what to do. I hate having a rule around when to eat, what to train, what to eat, when to sleep, because I'm one of those people who thinks, yeah, I can get this done without that guidance. And I think the reason I've got to this point is I've actually realized that's not true. I do need some guidance, and it's taken a while to actually discover that. So what I've been doing up till now is relying on what I learnt when I did the shred, and I just don't think that's good enough anymore. I used AI and that helped me through it, but I kind of feel like I'm spinning my wheels. I don't know how to train anymore, whether I train like a bodybuilder. I mean, I enjoy the calisthenics side of things now, that I'm lighter and leaner, but that's a whole new discipline and some new stress on my body, around limbs, shoulders, core. Yeah, so while I enjoy the challenge of that, it does knock around the body at this old age. So it's just drawing the line in the sand and going, okay, it's been approximately a year now since I gave up booze. There's 15k lower in weight. I'm pretty lean. I eat pretty much unprocessed food, but I am struggling to put any more size back on. I just sit at 68.5 kg, and then 69.5, then up to 70 for a day, and then back down again. So I would like to get bigger, but also stay leaner, and also have the challenges of doing calisthenics when I need to and want to, because I find those challenges enjoyable instead of just doing a basic strength exercise every day. So I don't know, and I guess that's why I need to talk to someone now. And while I'm currently doing a strength program and enjoying the strength gains, I'm not really invigorated by that. I don't really get the enjoyment and the satisfaction that I once got out of doing that, over and above a challenge, a calisthenic challenge, like a pull-up and a hold and a static L-shape pull-up, hold, and I want to do a muscle-up. So I'm looking at those elements, and I think it's getting all a bit blurry and mixed up on what direction that I need to do, I guess, in order to keep me motivated, but also enable me to continue to grow. And I don't think that's possible. I don't think you can get bigger or grow muscle. I mean, hard enough at being 58, but also hard enough if you need to be light and want to be light and want to do calisthenics, but also want to build muscle. Yeah, so that's my struggle. That's why I think a coach will come in handy. And if I think about the type of coach that I'm after, it's someone who will give me maybe a 2-week or a 4-week window. He'll set me some food, give me a workout plan, give me some goals, but leave it to me. I don't need a touchy-feely type coach. I need someone who can set a program, knowing that I'm going to go ahead and fulfill what's required in that program, be it food, sleep and recovery, and the type of workout exercises. I will lean into that 100% because I don't know. I don't have the answers to the next step. So I've got that session today. I'm looking forward to seeing what the coach has to say. I'm actually generally excited about having a solid platform to lean into, because it feels like, while this has worked and I've got some results, strength's great, weight loss is awesome, nutrition sound, I kind of just need a next level. What do I do now, instead of going wishy-washy and mixing up my program? So that's my next plan of attack. Like anything, this is a journey of walking into the next stage, the next week, the next day, and I'm excited by what the coach can present, and I'm being very open-minded at this point that this is the right thing for me to do. Right, I'm going to sign off for now, but my next video I'm going to talk about what the coach did say to me today, whether or not I've actually signed up and committed to a coach, and the goals around the discussion, and what the eating and workout and nutritional plan looks like. So I will come back with another video after that chat tonight. Thanks for listening.